All right, so this is pegboard right here, and you can see you can hang all your stuff on it. I've got more over here, look. And it works really well. I got it up here too. I keep all of my tools on here. So that way I put them right on the doors of our cabinets. So I've got lots of room to put stuff in there. And it works really easy. Like you can see this thing sitting on there. If I put it over here, I can show you how these work. Basically, they're just bent up, and you just kind of like stick them in there like that. And then you can take, well, I don't know what that thing is. I put it there. I could put like, the saw on here if I wanted to. Here's another one just like that. You just put them in there like this, and you can put stuff on them. All I did was screw them into the wall, this pegboard into the wall, and then I just put these things on there, Let me just put that over there. This one here, I put here, and this thing here, I'm gonna move it over here. And now I can take this and I can put it here. See that? Bam, done. And yeah, that's how you do it, man. Check it out. I got all my breaker bars here. I've got my wash basin wrench here, and I got my big ass hammers and my monster hammer right there. Bam, done. Bob's your uncle. Over here, I've got all of my screwdrivers. I got all of those things. I got my chisels. I've got all of my wrenches, and it works great. And then here I've got my wrenches, right? I've got all my channel locks, and I've got my masks and other stuff, clamps. And yeah, it makes a good place to put all your tools so you can see where they're at and grab them. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.